Hello everybody! I know that summer days can be hard, that's why I brought you 3 activities that you can make at home. I also would like to present you my summer workbook in which you can find many activities. You can find it in my Etsy shop, I will leave the link in the description. And I also brought you some papercraft as freebie. You can find and download it from my website. I will also leave the link in the description. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe and to share with somebody. And as always, stay curious and happy learning. Bye!